Introducing the Coleus by Wombat keyboards. High-quality aluminum frame makes it sturdy and durable. Comes in 5 colors, so it looks good on any desk. Your favorite emojis right at your fingertips. Scroll wheel lets you turn up the volume or control your apps more intuitively. Choice of 3 key switches to suit your typing preference. Clicky, like a typewriter. Linear for a smooth feel. Or tactile for a satisfying typing feel without the noise. Hot swappable for you to find the right typing feel. These are high-quality Gateron switches, rated at millions of clicks, so you can use it every day for years. Connect up to 5 devices so you can switch between them quickly through USB and Bluetooth. Our software lets you easily configure emoji keys, lights, and scroll wheel settings. Programmable macro keys let you quickly activate frequently used key sequences. You can make the LED lights respond to music. You can even write custom programs to control the keyboard's light effects and share them with friends. Industry's best N-key rollover makes the keyboard detect up to 10 simultaneously pressed keys. The portable size means you can take it anywhere. Made by Wombat Keyboards, a brand of KeySource International, making professional keyboards for over 40 years. These are the Coleus keyboards.